Hello, Professor. My name is Palak, and this is my lab one. So, for this, first I have created a folder which contains four files, two of the dataset and two the other ones. So, first, starting with introduction of Python pandas. So, here what I am doing is I have connected my Google Drive to the with the collab notebook. Here, after this, it like asks for the permission. So here I give all the permissions. After this, here I have imported the pandas library. Here I have defined the path, like where is my folder and the data set. Then I have named it heart data, and here I'm calling the data path. After this, here I have used I have used head function, which tell us all the columns and the like starting rows as well. And after this is dot tail, so it shows the bottom of the data set, like all the columns and then the end of the rows. Now this is a describe function which gives all the data in a numerical format. So here now we have to find rest bp column. So here I just wrote the name of the data set and then wrote the name of the column. Now, after that, the next question was to find the second and third column for the first 10 rows. So, ilog is used to it helps us to locate the columns and rows. So, this one is the row. So, starting with this, so it starts from the beginning, like the first one, and ends till the 10th one. It goes to the 10th. So as you can see, it goes to the 9 because of the index. So this is for rows, and the second one is like columns. So it start from the first one, like first index, and goes till second, like sorry, till goes to like third one, not include third one. After this, we have to find the rows with the patient that are younger than 50. So here I first wrote the name of the data set and then again, and then I wrote the name, like age, and then like it was a simple formula. After this, here I have to find the mean median mode. So first I wrote I stored it in some variable and then called the age and then calculated the mean, like it automatically calculates it. So after this zero index, it shows like there were two main values which have equal importance, like for mod. So he took the first value. So this shows like this, 0. After this, the second file was data processing. There were some theoretical questions. So in this data, the independent features were country, age, and salary, and dependent were purchased, like the people who purchased. Like the purchase depend on from which country they were, what age, and what salary. So dependent is like purchased column. After this, there are like countries categorical, age numerical, salaries numerical, and purchased one was yes or no, like binary, that you purchased it or you didn't purchase it. So after that, the question was, yeah, to like why we have to handle the missing values. So it is very important to handle missing values because if we will not handle it, the algorithm like may misinterpret the information from missing value because it's missing or sometimes duplicate. So it will misinterpret like what will be the outcome. So if we want to improve our model, so we should handle the missing values first. Like, and if it is more, so we can also remove some column or row if it's not necessary. After that, so the question was like why the column needs to be changed, because when we use ML model, so it only requires the numerical input, so it should be numerics. After that, the coding part. So here, first we have to handle the missing data set. Then first we will like import the libraries, and I run this one. After this, we will connect with our Google Drive. It's already connected. Then we set the data path. After this data set dot is null, it shows all the null values in our data set. And when we use sum, so it calculates the, like, in one column, it's like total of these values which are null. After that, next part is replacing missing values. So like we are treating missing values. So here I have used simple imputer. So it is used to fill missing values in our data set. And here, like as you can see, so I converted the missing value with the mean. After this, here I have converted it with the median. As I told you earlier, that machine like learning models only understand numbers but not the text. So here, as we can see, country is categorical, so we will convert it into numeric. So here I have used one hot encoder in this part. So this is one hot encoder. So what column transformer is doing, it applies the encoder only to the country column, like here, because we have written about the country. So it only applies to the country column, and remainder is equals to pass through. So it keeps the other columns like unchanged. It doesn't affect that. So here we are printing X. Now for purchase column, so it is like binary, so yes or no. So what it does, it converts it this also into numbers like yes or no, so 0 or 1. After this, we are splitting the data set for training. So we are dividing it in like 20% is for testing, and for 80% is the rest one. And in the end, this is standard scalar to the, so we are applying standard scalar to the age and salary column only. So either here the transform, what does it is, it scales the test set using the same scalar, so it doesn't fit again to avoid data leakage. So this is the last part, and thank you so much.